Hi, I'm Albert Wilking. The motion of a rigid floating body has something called 6 degrees of freedom. That would apply to a boat, or even our heads sitting on top of our spine. And we move forward, we walk forward, we move back. We go up, we go down, or we go from side to side. That's the first 3. The second 3 are we yaw, which is spin like this. We can roll, or we can pivot. What happens for many people is they begin to lose their sense of balance. We have inside our inner ear little tiny pieces of basically chalk, a calcium substance we call otoliths. And that sits on top of our ciliary glands inside our inner ears. And that tells us what position my head is in. And then I will adjust my body accordingly to move. If these ciliary bodies are damaged, or through what's called action potentials, if the neurotransmitters are not able to send off the signal to say to recover as I'm being thrown off, I can lose my balance and fall. I can fall into this water. I'm Albert Wilking from Natural